Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Imagine this. There's a tiny orange box sitting in your pantry or fridge right now that can calm your churning stomach, whiten your teeth, freshen your breath, soothe your skin, and even give you a boost during your workout. Seriously, it sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that box is baking soda. And in this video, we're diving into 8 powerful health benefits that go way beyond just keeping your fridge smelling fresh. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you are never going to look at baking soda the same way again. Let's jump right in with the benefit most people discover first. 1. Natural relief for heartburn and indigestion. You know that terrible burning feeling you get after eating a big, spicy meal or too much pizza? That's heartburn. Baking soda is naturally alkaline, which means it helps neutralize that stomach acid. A simple mix of just a half teaspoon dissolved in a glass of water can give you quick, temporary relief. This simple fix has been a go-to for decades, and for good reason. It works. Just a quick note though, this is for occasional use only. Too much can cause a pH imbalance, so it's a quick helper, not a daily solution. But soothing your stomach is just the beginning. 2. Teeth whitening and Oral health baking soda is a mild abrasive, so it's great at gently scrubbing away surface stains from your teeth. Plus, it changes your mouth's pH, which helps fight the bacteria that cause bad breath. It's so effective, many popular toothpaste brands actually use baking soda as a key ingredient. Want a pro tip? Just sprinkle a little on your toothpaste once or twice a week. But don't overdo it. Daily scrubbing can wear away your enamel. 3. A natural deodorant alternative. Speaking of freshness, this next one could save you from an awkward moment. We've all had that moment where you realize your deodorant has completely failed you and you're sweating through your shirt. Well, baking soda neutralizes odors by balancing pH so it doesn't just mask smells, it gets rid of them. It works for your underarms, feet, or even those stinky gym shoes. For a simple DIY deodorant, just mix a little with some coconut oil. 4. Skin soother for irritation and bites, but baking soda isn't just about smelling fresh, it can actually help your skin heal. A simple paste of baking soda and water is fantastic for calming the itching from bug bites, rashes, or even sunburn. It's the perfect safe solution to have on hand, especially during mosquito season. You can even add a cup to a warm bath for full body relief. 5. Exercise and performance booster. If you've ever felt that deep muscle burn during a tough workout, you're going to love this next benefit. In the sports world, this is known as soda loading. Baking soda helps buffer the lactic acid that builds up in your muscles, which can actually delay fatigue. So that burning sensation in your legs during a run? Baking soda might just help you push a little further. Just a heads up, this is a more advanced tip that should be done carefully and in small amounts. 6. Freshens breath naturally. Bad breath often comes from bacteria in your mouth or acid from your stomach. The great thing about baking soda is that it neutralizes both. Just a half teaspoon in a glass of warm water, swished for 30 seconds, works as a fantastic chemical-free mouthwash. 7. Gentle detox and relaxation aid. Here's one I bet most people don't think about: adding a cup of baking soda to a warm bath. It helps to neutralize skin acidity and can ease tension. When you combine it with some Epsom salt, it feels like a spa treatment right in your own home, without the price tag. 8. Boosts hygiene around the home. And finally, let's talk about one of the most practical everyday uses. Baking soda doesn't just help you personally, it improves your entire environment. It's amazing for neutralizing odors in your laundry, gym bags, carpets, and of course, your fridge. A cleaner, fresher home means less exposure to bacteria and allergens, which is a huge win for your health. So there you have it. From heartburn relief to soothing your skin and even boosting your workout performance, baking soda is one of the most versatile and inexpensive remedies you can have in your home. If you found even one of these tips helpful, imagine what could happen if more people knew about them. So do me a favor, hit that like button, share this video with a friend who needs a few natural health hacks, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple, science-backed wellness tips. And now I want to hear from you. Have you ever used baking soda for any of these benefits? Or maybe something I didn't mention today? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.